Joms TV Media, on a beautiful Sunday afternoon, we're on our way to Alabang Town Center for the Veloci Auto Club Mini and Cars car meet. This is a different episode because we're going to feature some of the minis, the Tamiya that we used to play back in the day. And Veloci Auto Club was had an idea to bring back those toys into life again. So in this 20th century, we're going to see some of the builders, new builders of Tamiya cars. So these are the mini cars. So I believe there's a racetrack na ginawa nila. Tapos it's open to all Tamiya enthusiasts. So this is a very exciting event, and also we're going to showcase. I believe there are cars also in display na we could enjoy from different builders and from different car shops. All right, so stick around. Please enjoy this episode, and I hope you guys please like and subscribe to this channel so we could create and visit more car meets like this and more activities. Maraming salamat. Have a great week. Have a great Sunday. Thank you very much. God bless. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Guys, so Sir Jeff Briones. Guys, so tingnan nyo, ibang event to because puro mga ano to, mga Tamiya naman. Yun naman yung isushoot natin today. So, di ba, ang kulit? Alright, Joms TV Media, we're here at already dito sa may Alabang Town Center. Covered parking for the Veloci Cars and Mini event. So this is a new episode and this is a different episode that we have. Kasi yan, yung mga Tamiya na yan. Tapos may mga display din ng mga kotse that we could check it out na naka-display from different car clubs, from different car brands. Of course, Toyota Alabang is here. Tapos yung mga Tamiya na stores. And of course, may iba't ibang vendors that you could check it out. There's Valvoline and iba-ibang toy shop that you could check it out na pwede nyong makita here on this event. So we're hoping na magkaroon ng part 2 of this event kasi it brought back yung dating mga days na bata pa tayo. I'm sure there are a lot of people, a lot of teenagers now, tito na, who could relate because dati nilalaro natin to back in the day, back in the early 2000s or 98, 97. So ayan, yan yung mga yung mga friends natin from different toy stores, from different yan, sobrang nakakatuwa, sobrang nakakaaliw. Ayan. So di ko lang marinig guys, pardon me for the pero ayan, yan yung mga yan, one of the examples yung mga toys nila. Ayan, so of course this is open for all kids and of course sa people at young at heart. Solid, oh. Sir, kamusta po? The godfather of, Tamiya. So, si Sir. So, of course, ito yung mga old time natin dati. Ayan, pati si Ma'am is also assembling her toy. Mukhang lalaban to dahil naka-set up na. Ayan, mga different setups for different tracks. Diba? Nakakabalik ng bata back in the day. Guys, tingnan nyo. Solid, no? Then, so para siyang, as in, this is a good thing na parang guys, mga idol natin, no? Kakaibang car show to, sir, no? Okay guys, Car Mavens March 22. Uy na. Ingat, ingat. Bilhin mo na yan. Tignan mo, terno sa damit mo, oh. Oh, para sa'yo talaga yan. Bilhin mo na yan.
Tapos mo na.
Oh, oh guys, Talembang Toys. Guys, Brew 2 Coffee! Sir JP, good to see you! Solid, solid! this is the start of wherein yung ibang bata, now car guys na, they started from playing these toys, from assembling toys, from assembling different types of Tamiya. And of course, Doc Siomay nandito. Mabubulunan kayo sa sarap. Sa laki. Sige, sige. Ayun, Doc Siomay, check it out. So ayun.
Number 4 lang.
Number 4. Ayan, tapos ito yung mga Tamiya na nilalaro natin back in the day. Tapos dati yan, mga car guys yan. Ay, car guys na ngayon. Dati yung mga titos yan.
Naglaro ka niyan, bro?
Oh, sir. Definitely. Ikaw ba, sir? Naglaro ka ba nito?
Pero yung mga tigna 30 lang eh.
Pero dati naman kasi, sinasetapan mo rin dati.
Pinaano, iniikot pa yung mga, ano diba? Yung...
Ano makina mo nun? Dash?
Eh, bibili ka ng ano, mura lang yung, ano mo, yung Let's Go pa tawag doon eh.
Okay.
Tapos bibili ka ng makina.
Okay.
Yung 100 nun, mahal na yun.
Okay. Ay, dati yun, no?
Oo. Bibili ka ng makina.
Oh, guys.
Yun. Madayo pa ng race na, wala namang race na.
Oh, dati mga gara-garahi lang eh, no?
Mayaman ka na pag meron ka niyan.
Yes, correct. So ito ngayon, inopen nila sa public and congratulations to the Bilochi Car Club because ayan, naisip nila gawin to para sa mga bata na katulad namin. Mga bata. Ayan, so congratulations to the whole team of Bilochi. Sana merong part 2 nito na para naman dun sa mga hindi naka-attend. And yun, oh guys, iikot tayo, iikot ko kayo. Pardon me for the lakas ng sounds eh. Pero yun, ito na, this is it. Hopefully makakita pa tayo ng mga ibang events like this. Ayun, oh, real life Tamiya. Cute no, no? Alright, okay, Doc Siomay guys. Salamat. Of course, nandito rin si Sir PJ Romero of South Unite. Abangan nyo, may car show sila June 12, 13, 14, ay, 13, 14, 15. Southwoods Mall?
Robinson.
Ay, Robinsons pala, San Pedro. Puto, mali-mali na ako. Basta nandito, Sir PJ, na naglaro din ng Tamiya. Naalala ko to, naglaro ng Tamiya. Nakita ko yan. Ayun. Sir Jeff Briones of Valvoline. Alright. Ayun, si Miss Jen Gabriel. Okay, ilang. Tapos, Lexus.